Good morning, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hope you have been praying, giving God thanks for life and for all that He has been doing for you guys. Before I even go any further in the video, just in case you hear me talking and I can't pronounce my H or my Y's, you know, so not everybody can pronounce H and Y. Yeah, ma'am, I kind of have this tongue in some way. I don't know. I was told that people who were born in Kingston can't pronounce H and Y. I was born in Kingston, so yeah. Anyways, I couldn't pronounce those letters from I was going to school, like the sound of them, to say years. Or, you know, like for me saying years, I have to be basically stressing on it to say years, because I know somebody come and say, oh, it's not here, is it? It's not here, is it years? And I'm like, oh, we're in English class now. Yeah. But that's people. They will always talk because, you know, God give them a mouth to talk. So, we're not here to watch who can speak properly and who can't speak properly. We are here to help Mr. John, and that is what I'm grateful for. Guys, guess what? Alright, so as the title says, yeah, family. You know that family is not always, it doesn't have to be blood. Family doesn't have to be blood, you know. Look how much family Mr. John got here on YouTube. Just look how much family. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful. Guys, I'm going through the comments and it's a blessing. Let me give you a little story. So, the other day when I went shopping for Mr. John, right? My daughter, my youngest, she's 6 years old, and she said to me, Mommy, well, she asked, Mommy, where are you going? So I said, I'm going on the road, me and Dad, to get some food stuff for Mr. John. And guess what, guys? And whenever time I thought this, I feel like I want to cry. My 6 years old, and like I said, if I didn't pronounce the years properly, see with me. My 6-year-old child, she's saving her money. You know, so Pitney wants to save them silver. To them, I want a whole heap of money because they don't really know, say, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So she's saving her money, and the child came to me and said, Mommy, hold on, I want to give you some money so you can buy some food for Mr. John. The Pitney, I go for her little saving money, you know, to give to me to buy some food for Mr. John. My heart just went like, wow. Tears come my eyes. I'm like, look at that. Look at that. The baby, the 6-year-old, know that she's supposed to share. And some big people come in the comment section and some of them talk. You wonder if they really have sense. You know, but you know what the Bible says, and if I'm wrong, don't quote me on that, even a child shall lead them. You know, even a child shall lead. Wow, isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? I have seen some comments in the comment section and it touched my heart. Mr. John, you have no family member out there. Even though we're not blood, we're not blood family. There are lots of family members out there. Like, for example, the person who Mr. John the phone and the cap and the food. You know, understand, You don't understand. I mean, some people will definitely understand that when you have something and God start bless you, it's amazing. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. So saying this to say, we're not here to find Mr. John's kids and to interview them. That's not what we're here for. We are here because we want Mr. John to get some blessing, and Mr. John is receiving blessings. Yes, look at that. Mr. John is receiving blessing. I'm excited. I'm excited, guys, because when I look back at where Mr. John is coming from and I see him now on the road, and, when I take dinner for him in the evenings, it's just, wow. You don't understand me, I tell you. You don't understand. Yesterday, my husband normally takes dinner for Mr. John when he comes from work. But my husband was working far out. So my son, and it was raining. And the son that I asked to go and give the dinner to Mr. John, he's not supposed to get no wet in the rain, But it was raining, and I didn't want to send the girl, my oldest daughter. So I asked him to go and give Mr. John the dinner. But he was using the umbrella. And I said, try not to get any wet, And I said, remember to say Evelyn when you go up there, because you have to teach your children manners, I said, remember to tell Mr. John, Evelyn, And then he said, I know, mommy. Anyway, so he went and he said, mommy, as Mr. John saw me coming, Mr. John didn't allow me to come all the way in the bush. He just come and meet me. You know? And he said, thank you. I'm like, oh my goodness. When he came back and he was telling me, I said, listen, you see, when you guys get older, always look out for people. Always look, I'm not going to say less fortunate. Always look out for people who can afford certain things. And if you can afford it, look out for them. Because guess what? You're not doing this for praise or anything. But you see, when you look out for people, God will bless you. And if God not bless you, God is going to bless your generation. All of you guys who are sending your comments and saying, God bless Mr. John and God bless the donors and God bless my family, and you're, sending your support, you're praying. We are all here to support Mr. John. Well, most of us. The majority of us. Okay, I still know that there's some negative people. Yeah. But we are all here to support Mr. John, and Mr. John is grateful. Guys, I must tell you, he is grateful. He is very, very grateful. Very grateful. You know what I look into sometimes in the evening when my husband take the dinner for Mr. John? And sometimes I sit down on the veranda and guys and me I say, oh gosh, look into this man. The gentleman, never know where food I come from, Yes, there was a lady who used to help him now and then, but the lady did what she could do. And the gentleman never know where food I come from. The gentleman never know where clothes I come from. And now the gentleman is getting food. The gentleman is getting food every day. And in the office, I wonder if me I get food today. He knows say God provide it for him because it a come. That is one big stress come off of the gentleman head, We don't have to worry to say that where is the food going to come from. I know I said this before, but some people probably still don't get it. Hunger is not a nice thing. When you're hungry, man, I don't know where the food will come from. And a nice thing, It's not a nice thing. But I am thanking God again. I'm thanking God for all the donors, for everyone who chip in to support Mr. John and still supporting Mr. John. God is going to bless you tremendously. Yeah, man, it's just a good feeling. So to all those who have been dropping their comments and sending well wishes and all the blessing for Mr. John, Mr. John really appreciate it. I read some of the comments and I told him of some of them and all of that, and he really appreciate all the blessing, all the love, all the support. And yeah, man, continue to do good. Continue to do good wherever you are, whoever you are. Continue to do good because God will repay you one day, And don't just do good because you want to be repaid, but do it from your heart. Do it from your heart, and then you will be blessed. Yes. Oh my goodness, as I'm laughing, I remember that somebody said I love my laugh. I'm always laughing, so yeah, for those who it's annoying too, I'm sorry, but yeah, I love to laugh. Yes, guys, so that's why I have to come on here and just say that we are all family. We are all Mr. John's family. And not because I didn't interview the kids or his family, that doesn't mean that, but we are on here. We are all family. We may not be blood family, but we are all family in Christ. So our goal here is not to go and find the actual family, the blood family, to interview them. No, man. That's not our thing. That's not our thing. Our thing is to show love to Mr. John and ask God to continue to bless him and provide for him. And and God has been so good to him. Not only good to him, but God has been so good to me. God has been so good to my little family, and I am so grateful. I'm so grateful, guys. These subscribers going up, and I am so grateful. So grateful. The channel is monetized and all that. And guys, thank you so much for watching the ads when the ads come up on the videos. Thank you so much. You're not only helping Mr. John, but you're also helping me. So let me tell you, if the ad is long, I am not gonna sit here until you watch every single second of it. Nope. If the ad is long and you can watch half of it, watch half of it. Yeah, man. Because I'm not going to sit down and watch no ad for no 2 minutes and no 3 minutes. Why? So, so I'm not going to tell her to sit. I'm just being real. I'm not going to tell her to sit down and watch a ad for 3 minutes or whatever. Yeah, but if you can support by watching the ads, guys, your girl is grateful. Like, I'm so grateful. You know, you are blessing me also. You're blessing my family also. So I am grateful. And thanks for all the support, all the love. Guys, continue to do good. Continue to show love, because guess what? The more love you show, guys, the more good you do, it will definitely follow you. You know, it will follow you. So we are, like I said before, we're not here to point fingers. We're not here to judge. You know, we're just here to help. We are here to be, helpful, caring individuals. That is the good part about it. Thanks for watching the videos, guys. Thanks for supporting. Have a wonderful rest of the day, and God continue to bless you. Bye, guys.